Pro Process Corporation introduces the DoughPro line of equipment for the pizza industry. The world of pizza will never be the same. DoughPro manufactures equipment for virtually every facet of pizza production. These include dough presses, small ovens, dough holding equipment, and other useful tools for the pizza operator. Our goal is to find new ways to make pizzas better, faster, and without the need for skilled labor. Now, for a look at our line, starting with our dough presses. Our manually operated model, DP1108, is designed for personal-sized crusts up to 8 inches in diameter. Our DP1100, also manually operated, will press crusts up to and including 18 inches in diameter. For higher volume locations, we offer our pneumatically operated DP1300. Flattening dough in a DoughPro is a simple task. Simply place the pre-portioned ball of dough on the lower platen, close the platen, pull down on the handle which lowers the upper platen, count off about 7 seconds, open the platen, and your dough is ready for makeup. The diameter of the crust is determined by the weight of the dough ball. The larger the ball, the larger the crust. The DP1300 performs essentially the same way, but with virtually no physical effort. Press power is provided by a standard air compressor located either in a lower cabinet or at some remote location in the store. Thickness control is also standard on most models. And now for a look at our Vari-Pan press-in-the-pan model, DP6100. These machines press pre-portioned dough directly into bake pans in one operation. In addition, they provide a defined perimeter edge on the crust. To operate, simply place the dough in the pan. Insert the pan in the retainers on the lower platen, pull down the upper platen, and in just a few seconds, you're ready for makeup and baking. As you can see, changing molds is a simple task. The lower pan retainer would of course also have to be changed. Currently there are 3 standard mold sizes available: 12, 14, and 16-inch diameter. Other size molds are available on a build-to-order basis. Here we are pressing a 10 by 15-inch Sicilian-type pan pizza, a really labor-intensive job when done by hand. Now, for a look at our par-bake and form presses. Par-bake crust supplied by outside vendors is a fast-growing business, but adds considerably to an operator's food cost. With our presses, any operator can par-bake and form crust using their own or frozen dough, as the following demonstration illustrates. Simply place a portioned ball of dough in the lower heated mold. Close the mold, pull down on the handle, and allow about 45 seconds. Then open the mold, and you have a perfectly formed crust, complete with a raised edge. What could be simpler? Once formed, these crusts can be held refrigerated for hours. Now let's talk about a product which we call the Personal Pizza Machine. The Personal Pizza Machine is a complete personal pizza production plant in a space of less than 7 square feet. One person is all it takes to operate it, and here's how this little powerhouse works. The makeup counter is provided with 2 refrigerated drawers, one for toppings and the other for holding pre-portioned balls of dough. Space is provided for either a DP6006 or a DP6008 personal pizza press, and either a CO18 conveyor or HSO10 hot slot oven. A heated warming drawer is also available as an option and is perfect for proofing, thawing, or holding par-baked crusts in advance of a rush. To make personal-sized pizzas, first par-bake the crust. Then add some toppings. And finally, bake off in our model CO18 conveyor oven or model HSO10 hot slot oven. Now you're ready to serve delicious and profitable personal pizzas just about anywhere. The last, but by no means the least of our dough presses, is the most versatile of our machines, the DP2000 Dual Heat Press. This unique press features dual heated platens separately controllable up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows not only the pressing of pizza doughs, but other dough products as well, such as tortillas and mushi skins. Additionally, it is possible to press, par bake, and even final bake some products in a single stroke. In the left window, 3 tortillas are being pressed, while in the right window, a full-size pizza is pressed and par baked. Now for our next category, dough handling equipment. We offer 2 types, the model DC63 dough cart and our model DHS dough handling system. Let's start with the dough cart. But first, let's look at the way that many pizza operators currently handle their most precious ingredient, their dough. It's called a tote box. Its primary drawback is that once the lid is opened, all the dough is exposed, resulting in crusting, early rising, and worst of all, dough migration. So much for portion control. The DC63 offers a better way. Because the dough balls are individually protected in a plastic container with lids, migration is eliminated. Premature crusting and rising is reduced considerably, and the containers are also self-feeding on a first-in, first-out basis. The DHS dough handling system, which also features plastic containers, is preferred by those who want the bulk handling convenience of a tote box, but also need to ensure the integrity of each portion. DoughPro ovens are primarily designed to support our personal pizza presses as an alternative to the larger, more costly ovens on the market. The CO18 conveyor and the HSO10 hot slot ovens are ideally suited for baking personal-sized pizzas, either par-baked or fresh. DoughPro's line of top-quality pan racks offer the right solution for keeping pans organized, with or without product inside. In addition, they also allow air to circulate around them, which speeds up the drying of just washed pans. They come in 3 sizes for either 5, 10, or 15 pan capacity. DoughPro pans cover the gamut in style and type, perforated or non-perforated. Our black Pro-Bright coating ensures quick release and fast, even baking. EquiSlice cutting guides guarantee equally sized slices regardless of who does the cutting. Slice sellers and many school lunch programs insist on uniformity in pizza portions, even when sliced. Our sauce and cheese rings allow for easy and accurate placement of sauce and cheese without messing up the edge of the crust. When customers ask for 1/3 pepperoni, 1/3 sausage, and 1/3 something else, lay the toppings on neatly with a DoughPro topping guide. ProProcess Corporation thanks you for taking the time to view our DoughPro line of products, designed to serve quality pizza, faster, and without the need for skilled labor.